Okay.
All right. Here we have the T28 thingy. How did you call it?
I call it Big Bird.
The Big Bird. All right. Big Bird.
Last flight.
Last flight. Oh yeah, you're gonna retire.
And going into the museum.
All right.
Okay. Going up.
Trust in your DX6 on that thing. Did you check your control surfaces?
Yeah.
Make sure everything goes the right way.
Yeah.
Right, left, and left. Make my hands shake so much. Oh, you gotta trim it.
Yeah, there we go.
I lost you. I'll find you your way back in here somehow. If you don't rock it.
Don't be saying that.
No, you'll be okay. I don't want to zoom in too much because it's gonna get blurry. There you go, I found you. Now I can zoom in. You are way up there. And you're high. Okay. What was that?
I just turned my timer on. Okay. Landing.
What?
No, okay. I'll
I
go.
landed. One more flyby. Lower, lower.
That low enough?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, that scared me.
You're trying to set for landing? Look how far you are. Let's see the zoom. This thing have a nice zoom in it. The problem is keeping my hands steady. Look at that. Yeah, back in one piece.
Launching!
Oh, cool!